This is my MacBook Air, guys. It's like I said, one of the new 2013 models. It's really thin, really light, very portable. See from the side, there you go. I mean, it's just super thin. I'm not sure about the exact spec. On the right side, you got your SD reader, USB 3.0 and Thunderbolt connection on the left, charging port, another USB, and then your headphone connection. Apple logo on the top, and then just your standard little padded bottom. But I mean, you guys can get an idea of the thickness. Super thin, very nice, very light. Probably, I've never had a MacBook before. This is my first, so I can't really compare it to last year's model. But I mean, this is the lightest notebook that I've ever owned. It's so light and so portable. It's got 128 gigs of flash storage. That's fine for me. I'm not going to store videos or anything on this. If I ever need to, I'll just get an external hard drive. Some people might want the larger hard drive. I didn't need it. This was just for Word documents, presentations, web surfing, little stuff for me. So it's got the HD FaceTime camera. Let's see, headphone port, Thunderbolt port. There's the 802.11 Wi-Fi. Bluetooth 4.0, which I use for my Apple mouse, Magic Mouse, backlit keyboard, as I said. It's got OS X on it. We're all patiently awaiting the OS X Mavericks release this fall, hopefully. So I'll definitely upgrade to that as soon as it's released. And there's your specifics as far as size, weight, width, and whatnot. So let's go ahead and boot it up. I'll show you guys how fast it is on boot up. Very fast. It's probably just as fast or faster than a Chromebook. So starting up right now. Let you guys get a good idea. I'm gonna say less than a minute. I'm just guessing. One of my favorite things about it is the backlit keyboard, as most MacBooks do have. I love it for at night typing, whatever. Go ahead and select my account and I'll log on. There's my desktop, guys. A couple little Apple goodies at the bottom. Very fast to log on, log in. On the inside, FaceTime camera in the middle. Normal bezels all the way around. MacBook Air right there in the middle. Trackpad. I use my Apple Magic Mouse with this. This model does not include the CD drive. I don't know if some of you guys knew that, didn't know that. I just knew it before I bought it. So I bought a super drive. I think it sells for 79 bucks. I've never had to use it. Most of the software these days comes like with a download link or something, especially our Microsoft Office suite.